Hey, good morning everybody. This is Ned over My Philippine Dreams. I literally cannot tell you the number of times I've been out peacefully having a drink with some friends and wishing, desperately wishing, that somebody would come along with a battery-powered amplifier to sing Filipino love songs. Well, finally, the other night, all that dreaming, all that wishing, all that yearning finally came to fruition, and somebody came along with a battery-powered amplifier to sing Filipino love songs. And the best thing was there was a vlogger there too, and I got to vlog the vlogger. So check out this footage, and me and Bridget will see you on the other side. Bye. I like videoing the people that are videoing people. It's pretty cool. This isn't something you see every night in Dumaguete City. Vlog on his camera. Oh, wait. Clap. That's static.
Everybody. Okay, and we'll be right back.
We'll be right back. We'll be right back. I won't be back because I'm leaving, but yeah, vlogging other vloggers. It's more fun in the Philippines. So that's pretty cool, huh? Yeah, this was an opportunity for me to vlog or vlogger to see what I actually look like when I'm out and about doing my thing, and it's not a pretty sight. So that's our video. This is Ned, this is Bridget, and we'll see you on the other side. Take care and keep dreaming, because it's all a Philippine dream, but sometimes those dreams come to fruition. Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.